Hey everyone, Lex over here, and let's just talk about motivated seller marketing and the sequence of how it works, right? So step one, you got a postcard. This is one we use very frequently with our students that we mail out for them. And the key things you want to have is the phone number and the website, and you want to have tracking on both of those. We use CallRail for that, right? So we mail these out. Try and mail out a few thousand a month if you can, at least 1,000 a month. If you can send out 1,000 a week, that would be better, right? So the postcard goes out like this. And now the seller receives the postcard. So the next step is the seller calls that number. When they call that number, then it comes to our lead manager. So this is our lead manager over here, Sarah, right? So she gets the call, and then she speaks to them, and she gets all the basic information about the property. So everything from, what's the property address, why are you looking to sell the property, what are you looking to get for it, can you tell me a little bit about the condition of the property? And all that information is put into a CRM, right? So CRM is a customer relationship manager, and it's basically a database where you're keeping all the info. So you can keep track of your sellers and also your buyers, right? So basically all the seller leads are coming in, the lead manager is putting them in there, and then on that conversation with a seller, the lead manager is looking for motivation. In other words, how motivated is the seller to sell? So the more motivation points they have, the better, right? So if there is a high level of motivation, then an appointment is booked, and then an acquisition manager or myself goes out to the property, right? So you'll see some of my videos on my YouTube channel where I'm at on motivated seller appointments. That's exactly what that is. They come right off these kind of leads, and then I'm going to the property, or the acquisitions manager is going to the property, and we're making an offer. And then once we make an offer to buy the property, the next thing to decide is, are we keeping the property for a fix and flip, or are we going to wholesale to a cash buyer? So either way, whether we keep it as a fix and flip, we repair the property, we sell it, or we wholesale it to a cash buyer, we line up the closing, we get paid, and we ring the bell, right? So that's what it's done. That's what we're looking to do. Just mail out postcards, get sellers calling you, take those leads, book appointments, buy those houses, flip them, and make some money. All right, so that's how the whole motivated seller sequence works with direct mail. And if you're not already doing it, start doing it.